Hello, this is Ehler. I'm going to show you how to install my Sibelius keyboard shortcuts. Open up on my blog the link to the shortcuts on Dropbox. Go ahead and click download. Go back over to my blog, copy and paste the path that I've linked into Finder. Go under go to folder, or hit the shortcut Command-Shift-G. Paste in that path. I'll get the keyboard shortcut folder for Sibelius. Go over to your browser, drag in and drop these keyboard shortcuts, then go ahead and open up Sibelius. Start up whatever document you please. Open up Preferences with Command, comma. Go under Keyboard Shortcuts, and you can switch the current feature set to Ehler's Sibelius Improved Laptop Shortcuts, and you are good to go. The full description is on my blog post, as well as other videos and resources. Thanks.